Shot Isaiah. Get up, ball! Get up, ball!
It is time for Sunday dinner, and we have chicken legs and then cheesy rice. This is what I was telling you all about in my Kroger haul. I mixed Lipton chicken rice with regular white rice and put cheese, cheddar cheese in it, mixed it up, and mushrooms and onions on top. This is so good. Some brown and syrup rolls, green beans and carrots, and black cherry Kool-Aid. And then I am having roast, carrots, green beans, rolls, and same rice. The kids are eating the same thing. Jalen's eating what I'm eating. Isaiah's eating what Chris is eating. So we're headed out to get Jalen's wisdom teeth done. We're leaving fairly on time. She seems to be, I guess, a little nervous because she's very quiet. So excuse her quietness. I know she's not really quiet.
Trying to get me on there or something?
It is Wednesday afternoon and I'm eating a salad. I really shouldn't be eating a salad this close to dinner. It's about 2:20 in the afternoon, but I just wanted a salad. This time I put lunch meat in it. And Jalen wants a salad, but she's just 3 days out from having her wisdom tooth surgery, and she can't have this yet. So, oh my goodness, I love this salad, y'all. And of course, it has the watermelon and grapes and Honeycrisp apple and all that good stuff. Y'all, the unthinkable has happened. My tent collapsed. I can't say this time I feel like crying because I almost kind of had some forewarning, because as you all know, a windstorm had come through about I guess about a month and a half ago, and bent the side near the pool and bent the poles. So it was a heavy storm, y'all. Heavy storm last night, raining and booming and all that. And I thought to myself, because it couldn't get up and come out here and do anything during the nighttime, because it was like 2 or 3 in the morning. I didn't even look at the clock, but oh my goodness, I said my tent is going to be just destroyed in the morning. It wasn't destroyed in the morning, but it rained again in the AM, I guess about 9 o'clock or so, and my husband came up and said, babe, the tent is gone. It collapsed. He said he saw it collapse because he was working right here in the pool room, and he saw it collapse. He said it was a crash. So yeah, moved tables under there and everything. So I am going to have to look for another tent. I'm gonna get a gazebo this time, I believe, with the air chute up in the middle, so it won't, be so easily. But I want one more permanent. I want a more permanent one, so we'll see. So I'm glad I had forewarning, Nah, I feel bad because my little spot is gone for the moment, but let's see here. And this is what helped to do it, because this broke the other day, this flap here. And then every time it rained a few days ago, and then, you know, last night, but the water would sit because this was not taut anymore. So the water would sit and load the weight of the water on there. And it just, yeah. So we got to get it up now. Take the ropes off the bricks.
It's like all over in here. It's like Debo and everything. I'm about to cut him up.
That.
Yeah. Look at this.
Oh.
See, these things is all thick. It's all in here. It's got to go. Because it's about to mess up the tomatoes.
Yep.
You got to get rid of this tonight.
That is huge.
Don't know what it is.
And it keep going
Yeah,
back.
you do. Pumpkin squash, remember?
Yeah, but it ain't coming out like no squash.
And that's the squash. I guess that would be coming out of here, but we have to cut it down to save the rest of the garden. So.
I mean, look at it. The plants are way out here. This is the summer month. The thing that's growing, taking over. What's going on?
Little Shop of Horrors is going down. Wow.
Some more going right here.
This is what we just picked out of the garden. We got one red pepper that has grown. We have some cucumbers. These are Calypso cucumbers. And that's a big one down here. That's a big one. And then there's a couple of more. And there's one there. And then we have some green tomatoes. And that's all for now. So I'm going to see what I'm going to do with these green tomatoes. If I want to batter them up and fry them. But I'm going to use that red pepper tomorrow. And I did not know that you could eat these. People fry these up. They're zucchini flowers. And you can fry these up or make them, you know, how you want to make them. And fry them up. I don't know if you can bake them, but I'm going to find out. Because we're going to have some zucchini flowers. Saw this on the Food Network. Then looked it up on YouTube. And there's a lot of videos for it. I like a little crunch to my onions, but you can saute the onions first if you want soft ones, or you can put them down by the cheese layer, whichever you like to do. And there we go. And it's browned on the other side, and we can go ahead and flip it. Yeah, I use my hands a lot. I'm sorry. So I am loving my pieces that came from Paparazzi. I ordered these from Sister Fifi Tyson. I will put her name down below here, somewhere right in here. And y'all go check her out. Check her channel out and get some paparazzi from her. So I have to kind of divide mine up because I know several people that get or sell paparazzi. At my church, I buy some from a lady at my church. And yeah, so, but I love these pieces. This one actually matches a piece that I got from one of the sisters at my church. So yeah, paparazzi is awesome, y'all. $5 jewelry, who can beat that? Hey guys, it is Friday afternoon and I am on my way to visit with my mom and spend a little time and check on things, and so I'll get back with y'all later. Why are you clapping?
Oh, how you touch? Do you have a mask?
I do. Yes. Put your yellow shoes on. Thank you.
So guys, we're going to cut these.
Yes, we are.
How much is a dinner from,
What you said there?
I'm not repeating that.
Are you mocking me?
how much is what we be getting from there, like a fish meal?
Turn around, Isaiah. See your uniform. Come along shopping with me and Jay today. Going to a couple of stores. I hope you can hear me because I can never tell if people hear me through this mask. But
It's windy outside.
and it's a little windy. Jalen said ain't no point in wearing lip gloss no more because with these masks. So anyway, heading into Walmart. are downtown and we're going on the river. We have a nice area on the river down where we live. So we're going to go down there and spend some time. So me and Jalen are getting on this
Let's see
thing.
if we can find us.
It's called a what? A bird? Oop!
It's a line, but most of them are called birds. Come on. Hold on to my shoulder, Miss Mama. Okay, you ready? Okay, go both feet on. Because I need your weight to be sitting. It's gonna take off, Mom. Okay. Oh, Jesus.
You got the brakes on, man. You gotta get your foot off of that thing. Yeah.
Oh, I had my foot on here.
Yeah, you got your feet on the brake. You too big for that person. You too big for one.
I'm too big for the bird. Yeah. Woo! Keep pedaling and pushing the button. It's going?
You're gonna have too much fun. Oh Lord.
Oh, that's too cool.
Fun?
Yeah. You gotta get one of them.
You want to try?
Get your brakes.
Don't touch your face and stuff.
Come on, Isaiah, let's ride together.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, we're gonna walk down, see if that one, we can get that one.
So here comes Jalen and Isaiah. They're riding together on one. Oh.
Slow down!
Use the brakes.
She was right there.
Use the brakes.
You gonna put your phone in the pocket? Or you gonna hold it?
I'm gonna try to.
Huh?
There.
I don't know if they on or not. go down there.
Yeah, I was running around because y'all was doing whatever y'all was supposed to do.
Trying to be cute. So let me tell y'all what's going on. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Shoot. I am recording and driving. Oh.
Did everybody have a good time? Woo! I said, did you have a good time? Did you have a good time? Woo! Did mama have a good time?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.